Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute embroidered snap clips. So this is what they look like on the back once I've got the clip in, and as you can see here, I'll show you in a minute, I've already pre-cut this one, but you want them to go in opposite directions. I'll show you on these two. So you've got this, so if they want to, they can be worn on opposite sides of the head. Just like that. They're from Sparkly Unicorn Craft Supplies, and I've also got these super cute versions from Tanya's Felties, so I'll put all the links in the description below, but they're really simple to do. And what I use rather than scissors, because it makes it much easier, is actually this thread unpicker, because this bit is absolutely perfect for just uplifting the backs enough to get your clip in without damaging the back and like making it look really messy. So all I do, and I'll show you how to cut one out, because I buy mine uncut because it tends to be a little bit cheaper, and I've got a set of 4 of these in this particular colour, so I've got a 4 set of this one, and these are the varieties you can see here. So I got 4 of these, 4 of these and 4 of these, and then I got 2 each of these, and they tend to cost anywhere between, the 4s were £2.50 for 4, and the individuals cost between like 55 to 75 pence depending on the patterns and the styles. But I like these ones because I had the cute little tail, which was a little bit different, and I really like the floral prints on these ones, which are perfect for like spring. So this is how they typically come. You can see here, this is the backs and this is the front. I tend to use the front as a guide to make sure that I go through, and I always use my non-fabric scissors, and these are like my sharpest non-fabric ones that I have. And you want to go close to the edge of the embroidered bit, but not over it or too near it. You want to go sort of a couple of millimetres away. You just slowly cut round. Be careful. I tend to mass cut these when I'm doing them because it's quite relaxing once you get into like a... And I tend to move it with my scissors. As you can see, I sort of bring it round to my scissors instead of like actually cutting around it, if that makes sense. It just gives you more control and keeps like the volume around the edges similar, because the better you can keep that even, the nicer they tend to look when they're finished. Okay. So this is now cut, as you can see, and on this side we've got the clip going this way. So on this one we want to do the clip this way, and I normally go about 1 centimetre from the edge. It's about 1 centimetre. You don't want a big gap, so I put my thread picker in. You don't want to go all the way through, you want to go through the layer, so you'll feel it here. So when it gets to there, you want to stop and lift it up, and then what you do is you bring it up to there, so you've got a gap for your clip. And there we go. And the other thing I use it for, which gives you a nicer cut and a nice finish as well, is any little back threads. You can lift them up like this, and you can get much closer than scissors, and it doesn't do any extra damage to the back as well. And then you take your clip, and all you do is pop it into the pocket, pull it all the way down, and then lift that over. Now if you want to, as an extra step, lift it up a little bit, and you only want the tiniest bit of glue ever, just to hold it in place. And there you go, got a little snap clip set there. And this one, I've used a different style, but all the clip ones that I use for these, because these are the perfect size for these, are the 45mm plate ones, and you can get these from most companies. Tanya's has them, Caraway Cottage has them, lots and lots of most bow suppliers have a version of this. I just like to use the colour ones because, like I said, I just had a few of them. And then you can also get the squared version, and again, this is a 45, well I think this is a 50 squared one that also fits in there. So, and again, we've got this one going this way, so we want this one going this way. I've already cut the slot, and you just put it, make sure your clip's facing downwards, see, did I actually cut it open? No, I didn't. So pop that in, down in your little space, pull it all the way down. And for whatever reason, I don't think I picked this up side enough. It still had a little bit of a pocket, which I sometimes do this to get that space. Always when I'm on camera. I've just done this like 5 times. It's been perfect every time. And then when I show you guys, it doesn't go quite as planned. But hey ho, that's how everything works. I'd rather you see what happens sometimes. But there you go. So that's that one. And then you've got a matching one, and like I said, they both go in opposite directions like that. So how cute are those? And like I said, I'll put the link to the suppliers in below, and then I've got these ready with pretty ones on the bow cards as well. So hopefully you enjoyed that one, watching that one. It's so simple. Like I said, once you get past the cutting, which like I said, it can take a while with the cutting of all of the different styles, but they're really, really pretty. They're really, really cute. They're really cost effective as like little extras and things like that, or just on their own individually. And like I said, this one, which is a thread unpicker, like I said, it's not just for unpicking your like threads and like doing dress and things like that. It's actually perfect for these kind of crafts, because like I said, it just makes that much of a difference. And like I said, as you can see, it's so much neater than like using scissors, etc., things like that, and it just looks nice and professional on the finish as well. So thanks for watching, bye.